Present scenario for country is well known by all, and it's very disheartening that people are not taking it seriously. They are ignoring their initial symptoms with an assumption that it's just a viral fever, and later by the time COVID is detected, it's already too late. Out of fear, people are building multiple misconceptions like drinking alcohol will save them from infection. They're consuming medicine without consulting doctor and many more. The second thing I want to say, I agree that Karha is good to go in this situation. But 2 to 3 times in a day, do you think this will help you in fight COVID? The answer is no, not at all. Rather, it will hamper your health in other ways because excess of anything is alarming. It's high time to be aware with the consequences and measurement to fight with it. Let's come together and save our society because it's time to conquer rather than to condemn.
Now let's talk about some facts related to SARS-CoV-19, such as early symptoms and when it's time to go see a doctor. Symptoms usually begin 2 to 14 days after you come into contact with virus. Some of these are sore throat, itching or difficulty in swallowing water or food, constant headache, chills resulting in shaking irrespective of weather conditions, loss of smell or taste. These are the very few common symptoms of this infection, whereas call a doctor or hospital right away if you have one or more of these COVID-19 symptoms. Trouble breathing, constant pain or pressure in your chest, bluish lips or face, sudden confusion or not being able to focus properly. The second strain holds more common symptoms such as diarrhea and conjunctivitis. You need medical care as soon as possible. Call your doctor's office or hospital before you go in. This will help them prepare to treat you and protect medical staff and other patients. In a hope, these facts will help you in strengthening your armor in the fight against this virus. Let's stand together in these tough times.
The easiest and the most safest technique is Karha, which is just a matter of 5 to 6 tulsi leaves, 1 black or 2 green cardamom, half cup sliced raw turmeric, 1 tablespoon clove, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 1 stick cinnamon, 5 to 6 tablespoons sliced ginger, and 1 tablespoon munakka. This is going to cure cough, cold, and a lot of other symptoms related to COVID. Next, for breathing exercises, which is also termed as proning. While proned, the patient or the affected person is made to lie on his or her belly using pillows. One can also lie on their right side, which is known as the right lateral, left side, which is known as the left lateral, or just sit at a 60 or 90 degree angle in the floor position. This improves the blood circulation and helps breathing faster. The next remedy is gargle. Gargle with 3% betadine in it also cures cough, cold to a great extent. It's very simple. Just pour betadine into a cup and dilute it with an almost double quantity of warm water if the taste is an issue. Swish the solution for a short time in mouth and just spit it out. Last but not the least and the most important is vapor. Steam inhalation with a well-known tablet Carbol Plus is commonly used for the diagnosis or the treatment of nasal congestion, cold sores, common cold, asthma and cough, which are all symptoms of COVID. It does have some side effects such as nausea, vomiting, drowsiness and running nose, but these are insignificant as compared to its benefits.